Hello and welcome to Inside News. I'm Idris and we begin with the top updates. Hyderabad Fox Sagar Lake, originally built by Asaf Jav VI in 1897 to supply water to the northern part of the city, has unfortunately become one of the most polluted and encroached upon water bodies in the area. According to data, over 1,014 illegal structures have been identified within the lake's full tank level, largely due to encroachment. To know more, let's speak with our correspondent Shekina.
At Fox Sagar Lake. Fox Sagar Lake, once a source of drinking water and irrigation, is now a victim of encroachment. Constructions and piling up of lakes continue to be unabated. Despite the complaints and cases being registered, the constructions have not stopped at all. Authorities have responded at some instances, but the issue still persists. As we can see that the records show that the pond is hundreds of acres in area. However, it is not clear how much the pond is now. The Fox Sagar pond, which once provided cultivation and drinking water, has now become an obstacle to encroachment. Constructions which are now in full swing. The work of filling of the pond is going on arbitrarily, and although not in all cases, the concerned authorities have responded and registered cases, but the construction work is not stopping. Buried around the pond, as per 2013 government record, the total area of Fox Sagar pond is 482 acres. This pond, which has a history of more than 100 years, used to have pure fresh water. Moreover, it is also doubtful whether this pond, which currently covers an area of hundreds of acres, is even half of it. On all four sides of the pond, there are structures and mud, but work is still going on. In the end, tens of structures named after the temples came up to build the pond. Jeedimetla, Dulapalli, this pond, which is meant for industrial use, not only many industrial managers have already built buildings, but some others have flattened a few acres and are voluntarily undertaking company activities. Although it is said that it is temporary, there is a possibility that these places will be occupied in the future. There are only one or two cases of large amount of burials. Even though the pond lands are being alienated on a huge scale, the authorities are not responding all the time. Constructions are already pending in PTL lands, and the officials who have to take strict action against the burial constructions going on in the pond are taking nominal steps in that direction. If a large number of encroachments are taking place, action is taken in one or two cases. Jeedimetla Fox Sagar Lake was built in 1897 as a source of drinking water and irrigation. The lake has shrunk from 600 acres to less than 200 acres due to encroachments. Irrigation officials supported the encroachments. In 2018, 44.24 crores were allocated to develop the lake, but the project was abandoned. With cameraman Venkat, Shekina reporting from CVR English, Hyderabad.